Hey folks, have you ever felt that chilly draft sneaking into your home? It's like throwing money out the window. Today, I'm going to show you how to check and seal drafts in your home. Trust me, it's simpler than you think, and will save you a ton on your energy bills. First, let's talk about windows. Do a simple test by holding a lit candle or an incense stick near the edges of your windows. If the flame flickers or the smoke moves, you've got a draft. Now don't worry, fixing this is a breeze. Grab some weather stripping or caulk from your local hardware store. For windows that open, adhesive-backed weather stripping is your best friend. Just clean the surface, measure, cut, and apply. For fixed windows, caulk is the way to go. Choose a good quality silicone or latex caulk and apply it along the seams. Smooth it out with a caulking tool or your finger. Let it dry and voila, draft be gone. Now let's move on to doors. Doors can be major culprits when it comes to drafts. Again, use the candle or incense test around the edges. If you find a draft, start with the bottom. A door sweep or draft stopper can make a world of difference. Simply screw it onto the bottom of the door and you're good to go. For the sides and top of the door, weather stripping is the key. Peel the back off and stick it along the door frame. Make sure to press it firmly to ensure a good seal. If you got a gap between double doors, a double draft stopper can really help. Just slide it under the doors and it'll keep the cold air out. Don't forget about your attic access. A lot of heat can escape through this often overlooked spot. Weather strip the edges and consider adding an insulated cover. You wouldn't believe the difference it makes. Lastly, check your outlets and switch plates. Yes, really, cold air can sneak in through these spots. Pick up some foam gaskets and install them behind the plates. And there you have it, a few simple steps to check and seal drafts in your home. You'll be warmer, cozier, and saving on those energy bills in no time. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home improvement tips. Thanks for watching.